Happy New Year's 2023. Wow, we're here, guys. We made it. Yeah, wow. Anyways, this video is about thanks, okay? Thank you so much for the 4K. Wow. My goal was 2022. Come on, we gotta get to 4K. I've been to 3 countries. Let's get it. 4K. I've been doing this for just about 6 years now. Hold on. Yeah, 6 years? Wait, only at 4K. Hold on. That's it? Hold on, something doesn't seem right, but yeah. Alright, anyways, subscribe now. What's going on here? Subscribe. Providing the best of the best content, right? What? Alright, anyways, beside that, 4K, wow, thank you so much, Groovy Vibes. Thank you for supporting me since day one. 6 years now of doing YouTube, and I'm still going, still here, traveling, making groovy content. And today, this is what we're gonna be doing. You know what? The Trader Joe's taste test of caramels. Alright. Yeah, you know what? So I was like, you know what, we're gonna make a 4K video of thanks, but you know what, let's add something else to it. This has been sitting around, huh? Let's get it. Let's try it out, alright? There we go. So this taste tester is to figure out which is which, because it says, well, which is which, right? So what is it? What do we got going on here? So here are our options. I remember opening this up on Christmas. So it's toffee apple, stem ginger, vanilla, maple, double espresso, strawberry black pepper. We got some really unusual ones. Hot chili, coconut, Himalayan salt, fig and honey, blood orange balsamic, butterscotch. Oh my gosh, what? Oh geez. Ah geez, alright. Wow. Well, this is gonna be interesting. So let's get started, guys. 4K video right here. Caramel tester. Can we guess what is what? Chocolate. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 chocolates here. Okay. Here we go. First one. Well, obviously that's caramel, so that's the best one of all this. Alright, finished, completed. We got the best. Oh man, that is really good. Yeah. That's definitely the best. Let's see what this one is. Coffee, that's gonna get me going. This is my Red Bull right here, huh? Let's just grab one from the middle now. I hope it's a good one. Yeah. Alright. Next. That's orange, definitely orange. But the last one, espresso, I mean, it's kind of normal, I guess. I mean, more normal than the hot chili, right? Well, I'm full. Actually, that one wasn't too bad. It's better than the espresso. Looks like caramel. I'm trying to figure out what this is. Ginger. Reminds me of sushi. You know, the ginger you eat after to cleanse your palate. Well, that's what that is. Actually, that's not bad. I'm actually surprised. I guess that worked, actually. Okay. Next. All is like caramel. Figs and honey. Actually, a taste test of caramel, so it's actually all caramel mixed in with this stuff. So I forgot about that. Figs and honey. Oh, jeez, I'm getting full. I'm getting so full. Oh. Oh. You know, I was thinking about that big Reese's. And if I can't even finish this, how am I gonna do that? Oh, that was terrible. Ugh. Oh god, my stomach. Jesus. Wow. This can't be good for my allergies. Oh. Gross. Ugh. That was the worst one. I think I'm gonna throw up. Oh. Ugh. Hot chili. No more of that. No more. That is ridiculous. No more. Alright, well, I am so blessed to get to 4K on YouTube. We are going to the top of the top, best of the best. Stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, then what are you doing? Come on, 6 years of this and you haven't subscribed and you're still sitting there watching my videos? It just takes 2 seconds. Subscribe, boom, that's it, finish. And then I can be up there, right? Alright, thank you so much. Groovy vibes, and we'll see you. 2023, be prepared. If you thought 2022 was incredible, like I'm telling you, one of the best years of my life, especially after those last 2 of being sick and just COVID, to this now. Oh wow, such an achievement of being able to solo travel. I mean, of course I got sick over there, but not like how I was back in 2020 and 2021. All right, so 2023, let's see if this is can we top 2022? That's what I'm trying to say here. Can we top that? I'll try my best. Anyways, hit up my PayPal so we can beat that, right? Alright, like and subscribe. NateVlog signing out. Thank you again so much. Bye-bye-bye.